Okay, as promised, here we are. I got the different teeth in the chuck so that I can hold these larger pieces. Got it all chucked up in there, lined up, and ready to face it off. This is going to be a challenging bit of turning for such a small lathe, so I'm going to keep this low and slow. Unique problem here is every time I go up a drill bit, I nearly have to take the tailstock off just to get it all to fit. So this is a problem I haven't encountered before. The only way for me to get a drill bit in there that's going to be the right size for the piece of rod that I want to press fit into this, it's not going to fit. So I'm going to have to chop this off to the size I want without the size hole I want, and then bring this piece over the drill press to finish up. So let's get the cutoff tool. Alright, this is definitely one of the larger and more difficult bits of turning I have ever done. Alright, I've reached the limit of how deep my cutting tool will go, so hacksaw time. Neat! Well, I've done worse before. I think that's pretty good for a start. We will call this part 1 of the giant top. Yeah, we'll get to part 2 on another day. Alright, this one's a kind of a bonus, since I already had the different teeth set up in the chuck for larger stuff. I figured, why not get around to a project that I've been shooting for a while. I got 12 of these bottles in my room, all full, for my wedding, so if this works, then these are going to be the drinking glasses that we use. So, let's give it a shot. I'm just going to pull this through by hand. Got a tungsten carbide tool set up in here. Okay, not perfect, but it'll do. Let's see how it works. Well, the battery died before anything good happened, but it worked and it didn't work. Conceptually it's fine, but ended up with a pretty bad crack, so whatever. I got 12 more of these to have fun with, so that'll come later.